I mean, it's like this right here, people. It's exactly like this, and this simple. I got one of the newest technology-based trucks there is. AI, right? AI. The newest advanced technology in this truck here. That's right. I'm still getting used to it. But it seems like everything's working right as it should, you know? Because I also got that Easy Pass, you know what I mean? Technology integrated into it, right? In other words, when I easily pass you, you are already left behind, already alone. You know what I mean? Already alone. You'll never see me again. It's just that simple.